Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, my name is Eleftheria and I'm doing the daily UI challenge. I'm currently on day 15 and today's theme is an on and off switch. Well, today's theme, I guess it's a little bit simple, so I didn't have a lot of ideas about the things that I could do. I mean, we're talking just about a switch. Anyway, I have in my mind a few things that I want to do, but it's going to be really simple. I'm going to be using AngularJs and MaterialUI, so if you're new to AngularJs, then I think that this video is going to be quite helpful for you. Okay, I'm using CodePen, and in the description box you will find two links, one for my CodePen account and for this exact project, and another one for my GitHub account, so you can check the code out there as well. In my CSS I have the usual stuff like body, theme, working area, and I have also added this class right here, working area, and img for image, and yes. As for the HTML, I'm going to write everything inside the working area. This time we are not going to write anything in the JavaScript file, so everything is going to be super simple. Let's start typing, and the first thing that I want is an empty input container. Inside here I'm going to have my empty switch, so let us also write that one. It's going to look something like that, an empty switch with an ng model of so hints, and inside this I'm going to have a so hints. If it's true, we're going to see the sunny; if it's not, we're going to see the dark, and always we're going to see the word outside. So it's going to be looking something like that. This is an on and off switch. Because I thought that this is like super simple, I decided to add two divs and play a little bit with the ng model. So my first div is going to include again a layout and a layout align. So I'm making sure that everything will be in the center, but here the trick is that I'm going to add an ng if, and this ng if will have a double role. It could be an ng if with so hints, okay? So it will take like this one, depending if it's true or false. And I'm going also to add really quickly here an image. So either I'm going to see this image or not. I'm going to do the same thing one more time, so I'm just going to copy and paste that one, but I'm going to change the ng if. I'm going to do it the opposite one, so it's going to be false, and also I'm going to change a little bit the image. I'm going to replace it with that one, and here I'm going to type night. Okay, so we have two modes here, one for the dark outside and one for the sunny outside. I think that looks better. So that was it, guys. I know that was a super quick tutorial, but I hope that you enjoyed it and you liked it. If you did like it, then please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. It would be amazing, and if you have any question, just leave a comment below. Thank you very much for watching. I wish you an amazing day, and please don't forget to code a little bit every day just to improve yourself. And yeah, see you really soon. Bye!